Oh, it's on the wrong side, the handle, that's right. This is what you signed up for, you're keen this Harvey. Let's wait till we get 10 of them to see how keen he is. Well done, mate, on that venom. On the stick bait, the old Zaplin, he smashed it on the surface. You know, Scott, you've got to be very careful for what you wish for, because sometimes you get it.
I don't think it's a big one either.
No, I don't. I think it's a nice one, but... Wear him out, mate. I don't feel like gaffing something that's really green. Don't give up. And let him get his head.
Keep it away from that motor too.
Yep.
Just going to give him a squirt.
Yep. Reverse. Got colour? What colour you got, bud?
Tuna.
Big tuna?
Oh, it's a tuna. Oh no. Yeah, it's a tuna.
Tuna?
Yellowfin.
This is where he could get a little bit antsy. Nice tuna, mate. Nice yellowfin. Now this is where he could get a little bit running. All good. Did you want one of them, Scott? You got to talk, mate. The camera's on you.
Nice fish, mate.
Nice fish. Well done, mate. I'll put this down and we'll sort him out.
No worries.